Good morning, everyone. We will start the morning call. US markets closed with positive bias yesterday, and Asian markets are mixed this morning after the Federal Reserve paused its monetary tightening, which was widely expected. However, expectation is that there might be another two 25 basis point moves on the way before end of this year. So overall sentiment, that is why, is not very positive this morning. China's economy stumbled in May with industrial output and retail sales growth both missing forecasts. Industrial output grew 3.5% in May, slower than 5.6% growth in April. And retail sales rose 12.7%, missing forecasts of 13.6% growth and slowing from April's growth figure of 18.4%. Investment in China's property sector fell by 7.2% from for the period Jan to May, from the same period a year earlier. Sector is expected to grapple with continuous weakness for many years by various economists. So this will put a drag on the Chinese economic growth. Thank you. I will now invite the technical team to take the call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Jehan. Good morning, all of you. Today we expect Nifty open a flattish note and witness to profit booking. Yesterday we saw that Nifty sustained around 18,750 above level, but next immediate resistance place around 18,800. If Nifty break again 18,700 and 690 level, then we expect further sell off towards 18,640 and below that 18,500 at downside. And intraday upside 18,800, 18,220 and upside immediate resistance for Nifty. Bank Nifty, yesterday we also seen some profit booking and facing some resistance in upper level around 44 300, 500 level. And today's today's 43 800 is first support level, and then below that level 43 500, 43 250 next support for Bank Nifty. So we expect some profit booking both index. Nifty Finance Nifty also trading the near the resistance zone, and we expect some profit booking. 19480 and 19430 level is next important support. Below that level, then we expect further sell up towards 19400. Upside resistance place 195 to 20, 19517 up in Nifty Finance. Index, all three index trading in the near the resistance zone. To expect some profit booking to that session. Stock specific positive side, Grasim looks positive. Yesterday we also saw that positive price movement also and volume movement also. Both are positive side. We expect some positive momentum in Grasim towards 1820, 1840. Support place around 1750, 1740 at downside. Wipro also looks positive in daily chart, and we in yesterday's intraday chart also. To expect some positiveness in Wipro. First support around 392, that is 200 DMA, and upside 410, 408 next target for Wipro. Negative side, ICICI Bank, Axis Banks looks fixed at current level. We expect some profit booking in upside. ICICI Bank below 940. We expect next support place around 920 and 900 at downside. That's a 200 DMA. Axis Bank also see some profit booking at current level, and we expect some drag towards 950, 940 level. To expect some profit booking in both large cap bank, upside 990 first immediate resistance. That's it for technical derivative going and carry.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the options front, we are seeing that both index like a Nifty and Bank Nifty are trading in a contra view, as we are seeing that the Nifty seems to be positive front, while Bank Nifty is continuously facing resistance on the upper end. So till the time both the index will not get the trend clearance together, till that point of time, we might witness the strength So we might witness market range to be in the same saturated range, while on the open interest front, we are seeing that on the Nifty front, the OI positions of the put writer is continuously holding the support at the lower end towards 18,600, 18,500 level, while on the upper end, we are seeing that 18,900 to 19,000 strike will act as an important resistance zone. So overall trend seems to be positive on the index front from the Nifty wise. While from the Bank Nifty front and Bank Nifty stocks, we expect we should wait for some more time for the new buy on the Bank Nifty stocks. Currently, as per the data points from the derivative front, like India VIX, PCI both seems to be on the positive note. While we have seen that from last 3 days, again FIs are into the buying zone, so we expect the trend to be positive in coming trading session. On the stock specific front, we expect Canfin Home and National Aluminium and Tata Steel. This three counter looks positive in coming trading session. So that's it from the direct front. Thank you.
Yeah. SJVN signed a MOU with Maharashtra State Power Generation Company to develop 5,000 megawatt renewable energy projects in the state. This is positive. M&M and Ashok Leyland have joined the race to acquire significant stake in MG Motor India, which is a wholly owned subsidiary of the Chinese company SAIC Motor. Also, recently we saw that JSW Group has already shown interest to acquire 48% stake in MG Motor India. So we'll have to see what happens going forward. SEBI is unlikely to give mutual funds waiver on investment caps post HDFC and HDFC Bank merger. So, as per current rules, no mutual fund is allowed to take a stake of more than 10% in any single stock. So, combined entity, we'll have to see, might have some impact where mutual funds stake goes about 10%. They will have to shave it down to less than 10%. As per Economic Times report, Kedara Capital, which is holding 48% stake in Spandana Spurti Financial, which is an MFI. So Kedara has revived plans to sell off the company and has been in discussion with Yes Bank to explore a deal. The previous MD of the company, Ms. Padmaja, continues to hold 14.5% stake. The proposed deal with Yes Bank is likely to be through share swaps. So if you remember, many years back, Bharat Financial had a similar kind of deal with IndusInd Bank. So that kind of thing can repeat over here. However, both Kedara and Yes Bank have declined to comment on the matter. But sentimentally, this will have a positive rub-off on Spandana Spurti. And even a couple of days back, there was an interview of the MD of Spandana on CNBC where he mentioned that current year will be very good and he expected a profit of almost 500 crores for the entire year. So that has already had some rub-off on the stock since last couple of days, but we think this news will further support and stock can see upside in the near term. Thank you. Commodities team can take over. Harshal.
Yes, thank you very much, Jian. Good morning, everyone. So we are likely to witness a gap down opening in gold and silver, and prices are expected to test in gold around 59. Sorry, 58 850 to 58 500 should be weak below 59 200. So it is advisable to sell around 59 100 to 200, which is a resistance zone, and maintain a stop loss of 59 400. On downside, as long as the closing is below 59 200, we feel that prices are expected to correct 58 500 to 58 300 levels. And silver also prices, we expect prices today 71,000. So going forward, one can wait for a pullback as prices are opening gap down. One should wait for a pullback and then again sell and maintain a stop loss of 70 to 300. In crude oil, we had seen yesterday it testing the resistance area of 5800, almost 5800, and again correcting. We expect prices to test 55 70, 55 50. So selling is advisable in crude around 5700 and maintain a stop loss of 5800. And in natural gas also we are witnessing a range bound movement from 180 to 200 levels. We have seen prices testing 196.40. The resistance zone is around 197 to 200 levels. So prices are testing this resistance zone, and again prices are correcting. Similarly, one can also buy around 180 and maintain a stop loss of 172. In metal front, prices are expected to rise, but however, this correction should be bought as entry level, and one can initiate a buy in copper around 727, 726, and maintain a stop loss below 722. On upside, again, prices can test 740, 42. So buying is recommended. Zinc, we had seen rallying yesterday and testing the 221 mark, and we may see some correction, but however the momentum is positive. So buying around 219, 217 is recommended. For trading purpose, one can sell as long as it is holding below 222, but strictly follow the stop loss of 222. And on downside, 219, 217 is the area where you can take profits and again enter long. All in all, looks positive and can test 225. Aluminum, one can witnessed a pullback till 206.50, 207 levels, whereby again selling pressure will be there. So as long as it is holding above 203 levels, one can maintain a buy, and again one can initiate a sell around 207 levels. So that's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take over from here.
Yeah, very good morning, everyone. For today in trading session, we are expecting a bounce in the USD INR. So if prices comes around 82.14 to 82.12 levels, so one can initiate long positions, just strict stop loss of 82.07 for the target of 82.25 and 82.35 levels. And from the higher side, one can initiate also short positions in the range of 82.35 to 82.40 levels for the strict stop loss of 82.47 for the target of 82.24 and 82.114 levels. In Euro INR, if prices are sustaining about 89.95 levels, so one can initiate a long position for the intraday purpose. The strict stop loss of 88.72 levels for the target of 89.12 and 89.25 levels. In GBP INR, if prices are sustaining above 103.92 levels, so one can initiate a long position for the intraday purpose for the target of 104.07 and 104.15 levels with a stop loss of 103.61 levels. Thank you.